Hey there! Is your iPhone throwing up a voicemail unavailable error right when you need to check your messages? No need to stress. I'm here to walk you through the steps to get your voicemail working again. So let's dive in and fix this together. Solution 1. Change your region. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then head over to General. After that, tap on Language and Region. Now select Region. Then choose either the United States, the United Kingdom, or Canada. Solution 2. Check for the latest iOS updates. Open the Settings app, go to General, then tap on Software Update. Now check for and install any available updates. And make sure your iPhone is charged to at least 50% or more during the update. Solution 3. Force restart your iPhone. First, press the volume up button. Then quickly press the volume down button. Right after that, press and hold the power button. Keep holding until you see slide to power off. Then slide the power icon to shut down your iPhone. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to the Settings app, then tap on General. Scroll down a bit. Now select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on the Reset option. Then choose Reset network settings. Now enter your iPhone's lock screen passcode if prompted. Finally, click on Reset Network Settings again. Thanks so much for sticking with me. I hope this video helps you sort out the voicemail error on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got any further questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.